Hey guys, it's Ben Piersma from Bensbackwoods. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a really neat 3-stick tripod using one cord to tie the tripod and also act as a suspension system that is adjustable for a single pot. This is a really simple setup. This is something I've been teaching in my recent classes, so stay tuned. All right, guys, for this simple tripod setup, you're going to need 3 saplings. I want to tie this at about 6 foot, so make sure your saplings are a little longer than that. 7 foot or so is not a bad plan. And then also, we're going to grab one piece of cord. I'd say about 8 feet if you're going to make it this tall. On one end of the cord, I tie a double overhand knot just to form a loop. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just double the cord over on itself and tie an overhand knot on it with both lines. Super simple. So you've got your cord, you've got a loop on either end. I'm going to take this end here and stick these poles together. We're going to go about my head height here, right about here, and I'm going to run the cord through the hole in the loop. So now we have that cord running through that loop, and what I'm going to do is pull that kind of tight, and we're going to do 3 wraps and then 3 fraps. So we're going to call that 1 wrap, 2 wraps, 3 wraps, and then I'm going to open this up a little, probably on this side. Yep. Now I'm going to do basically maneuver these poles so you find a little open spot where you can get at the cord. I'm going to do 3 fraps through here, which I'm just wrapping around the cord quick. And we're going to call that good. Spread this tripod out. Set this thing right over the fire. So this is what it should look like. I've got 3 wraps around the poles themselves and 3 fraps around that cord. That's enough tension to kind of hold this thing together, especially if you're hanging a pot on this. So this is kind of a quick and easy to take apart and take down. Show you the other end of it. We're going to use the other end of this cord to hang our pot, and I'm going to show you a neat trick to make it easily adjustable. All right, so we're going to take our pot. Got some water in there, and I've got just a little twig. Doesn't have to be flat on one side. I just grabbed whatever was handy hanging around. And what we're going to do is run the cord with the loop in it underneath the bail on this pot, and we can set it for whatever. We can set this thing for whatever length we need. might need to possibly shorten this cord. We'll see how tall this is. So the way to adjust this is you've got the loop. I've got this whole thing running through the bale here. I'm going to take this cord and put a loop of it right through that other loop and then drop that toggle in there. So now that toggle is through that cord. And what that's going to do is give me the ability to adjust this thing. So to quick summarize this setup, we've got one about 8-foot length of cord with a loop tied on either end. We start by wrapping around the saplings and using that loop to kind of start it. And then we go 3 wraps around the whole setup and then find a spot in there where you can get these 3 wraps around there. Cord's hanging down. Got our other loop right here with a toggle through the other piece of cord that's stuffed through the loop. And then we've got our pot hanging down here boiling. So this is super easy to adjust. That drops it. Just the tension of this toggle being in there is enough to hold that thing together. So we just got done boiling our cowboy coffee. What we like to do is throw grounds on top of cold water, bring the whole thing to a rolling boil for about 60 seconds, raising it up a little bit so it doesn't boil over. And then I poured a little cold water from up high just to break the surface tension. So we're gonna take this pot off of here. Like I showed you, it's adjustable down. If you want to go up, you have to grab that outside cord, pull it up. I'm gonna take this toggle, pull it right out, and now our pot comes off that cord nice and easy. I like to leave some nubs on the saplings. They're kind of nice for, you know, if you ever need to hang something on them. It's nice to kind of hang this extra cord off to the side because obviously they don't want to melt the cord when there's no pot on there. But yeah, using that toggle system is quick and easy, man. So hey guys, thanks for watching this. Hope you guys learned something, and I'm hoping to get out in the woods and get some more short videos on gear, skills, and maybe do some quick overnight trips and that type of thing. So if that sounds like something you want to see me do, give me a like, subscribe, and keep an eye on what we're doing. Appreciate it. Thank you.